Students, now we have to check the zero error. How we can check the zero error? If the zero of the circular scale coincide with horizontal line, circular scale 0 coincide with the horizontal line, then there is no zero error. When you close the thimble, its anvil and its spindle meets, if zero of the circular scale match with the zero of the main scale, then there is no zero error. If it is not exactly in front of the horizontal line of the main scale on joining anvil and spindle, then there is zero error in the screw gauge. Basically, this is the definition. If it is not exactly in front of the horizontal line, if it exactly not on the front of the horizontal line, then there is a zero error. If zero of the circular scale is below the horizontal line, if zero is below the horizontal line, then it will measure slightly more than actual thickness and zero error will be subtracted from the observed measurement, and this is called positive zero error. Positive zero error, but we subtract it from observed measurement because zero of the circular is below the horizontal line and it will measure slightly more than the actual thickness, and hence zero error will be subtracted from the observed measurement. Then is negative zero error. What is the negative zero error? If the zero of the circular scale is above the horizontal line, zero is above the horizontal line, like this. Zero is above the horizontal line. Then it will show slightly less than the actual thickness, and hence zero error will be added to the observed measurement. Zero error is negative, but it will added from the observed measurement. These are the 2 points when there is zero error. Positive zero error, but it is subtracted from observed measurement. This is negative zero error. When zero error is negative, it will added to the observed measurement. Students learn micrometer, screw gauge definition, scales, pitch, least count, and checking for zero error. Also learn the limitation of measuring instrument. Measuring tape has range 1 cm to several meter and its least count is 1 mm. Meter rule has the range 1 mm to 1 meter and least count is 1 mm. Vernier caliper 0.1 to 15 and its least count is 0.1 mm, and screw gauge has the least count 0.01 mm to 2.5 cm. Range and least count is 0.01 mm. We have calculated the vernier caliper least count, and today we have calculated the micrometer screw gauge least count. Thank you.